Come on, my dear students. History Unit 2 Ancient Civilization Exercise portion. Choose the correct answer. Question 1. The earliest signs to denote words through pictures. Option A, logographic. Option B, pictographic. Option C, ideographic. Option D, stratigraphic. Option B, pictographic is the correct answer. Second question. The preservation process of dead body in ancient Egypt. Option A, sarcophagus. Option B, hyksos. Option C, mummification. Option D, polytheism. Option C, mummification is the correct answer. Third question. The Sumerian system of writing. Option A, pictographic. Option B, hieroglyphics. Option C, sonogram. Option D, cuneiform. Option D, cuneiform is the correct answer. Fourth question. The Harappans did not have the knowledge of. Option A, gold and elephant. Option B, horse and iron. Option C, sheep and silver. Option D, axe and platinum. Option B, horse and iron is the correct answer. Fifth question. The bronze image suggestive of the use of last wax process known to the Indus people. Option A, jar. Option B, priest king. Option C, dancing girl. Option D, bird. Option C, dancing girl is the correct answer. Sixth question. The oldest civilization in Mesopotamia belonged to the Akkadians. The Chinese developed the hieroglyphic system. The Euphrates and Tigris drain into the Mannar Gulf. Hammurabi, the king of Babylon, was a great lawmaker. Option A, first is correct. Option B, first and second is correct. Option C, third is correct. Option fourth is correct. Option D, fourth is correct, the correct answer. Seventh question. Yangtze River is known as Sahara of China. Uti construct the Great Wall of China. Chinese invented gunpowder. According to traditions, Mencius was the founder of Taoism. Option C, third is the correct answer. Eighth question. What is the correct chronological order of four civilizations of Mesopotamia? Option A, Sumerians, Assyrians, Akkadians, Babylonians. Option B, Babylonian, Sumerians, Assyrians, Akkadians. Option C, Sumerians, Akkadians, Babylonians, Assyrians. Option D, Babylonians, Assyrians, Akkadians, Sumerians. Option C, Sumerians, Akkadians, Babylonians, Assyrians are the correct chronological order. Ninth question. Assertion. Assyrians of Mesopotamian civilization were contemporaries of Indus civilization. The reason the documents of an Assyrian ruler refer to the ships from Meluha. Option A and R are correct and A explains R. Option B, A and R are correct but A doesn't explain R. Option C, A is correct answer but R is incorrect. Option D, both A and R are incorrect. Answer option A and R are correct and A explains R is the correct answer. Nextly, fill in the blanks. Dash is a massive limestone image of a lion with a human head. Sphinx is a massive limestone image of a lion with a human head. Second question. The early form of writing of the Egyptians is known as dash. The early form of writing of the Egyptian is known as hieroglyphics. Third question. Dash specifies the laws related to various crimes in ancient Babylonia. Hammurabi specifies the law related to various crimes in ancient Babylonia. Fourth question. Dash was the master archiver keeper of Chow Street according to traditions. Lao Tzu was the master of archive keeper of Chow Street according to the traditions. Fifth question. The dash figures and paintings on pottery from the sites suggest the artistic skill of the Harappans. The terracotta figures and the paintings on pottery from the sites suggest the artistic skills of the Harappans. Nextly, find out the correct statement. First question. Option A. First question, first statement. A statement. The Great Path at Harappa is well built but several adjacent rooms. B statement. The cuneiform inscriptions relate to the Epic of Gilgamesh. C statement. The terracotta figurines and dancing girls made of copper suggest the artistic skill of Egyptians. D statement. The Mesopotamians devised a solar calendar system. The correct statement is option A. The Great Bath at Harappa is well built with several adjacent rooms is the correct statement. Second question. In second question, A statement. Ammon was considered the king of God in ancient Egypt. B statement. The fortified Harappan city had the temples. C statement. The Great Sphinx is a pyramid-shaped monument found in the ancient Mesopotamia. D statement. The invention of potter's wheel is credited to the Egyptians. The correct statement is option A. Ammon was considered the king of God in ancient Egypt is the correct answer. Nextly, match the following. Pharaoh, the Egyptian king. Papyrus, a kind of grass. Great lawmaker, Hammurabi. Gilgamesh, the oldest written story on earth. The Great Bath, Mohenjo-daro. Okay. Nextly, answer all the questions given under each caption questions. First caption question: early civilization. Early civilization. Question number 1. What is meant by civilization? Civilization means it's an advanced, organized way of life. Second question: name the important early civilizations. The Egypt, Mesopotamia, Chinese, and Indus civilizations. Third question: what did South India witnessed during the time of early civilization? A scholar says Harappan language and South Indian language are similar. Fourth question: what happened when civilization began to take shape? Huge buildings were built. The art of writing developed. Society got betterment. Next, second caption question. Features of Egyptian civilization. First question: why was Egypt called the gift of Nile? The Egyptian civilization depended solely upon the flow of Nile River, and hence Egypt was called the gift of Nile. Second question: who were pharaohs and viziers? The Egyptian king was known as pharaoh. Viziers were the high officials under the pharaohs. Third question: what is a pyramid and why was it built? Pyramid was a triangular construction. Pharaohs' dead bodies were preserved in that. What is the process of mummification? The Egyptians had a tradition of preserving dead bodies using nitron salt and a combination of sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate. This preservation process is called mummification. Nextly, answer the following briefly. The first brief question: the Egyptians excelled in art and architecture. Illustrate. The Egyptians excelled in art and architecture. The writing is also a form of art. Numerous sculptures, painting, and carving attested to the artistic skills of the Egyptians. The pyramids are massive monuments built as tombs of mourning to the pharaohs. The Great Pyramid near Cairo are known as the Giza Pyramid. Second brief question. State the salient features of the ziggurat. Ziggurats was controlled by the priests. The priests collected the taxes. The ziggurat temples acted as storehouses of taxed commodities. The rulers performed the role of the chief priest. Third brief question. Hammurabi Code is an important legal document. Explain. Answer. The Hammurabi Code has 282 provisions specifying cases related to family rights, trade, slavery, taxes, and wages. It is carved on a stone which portrays Hammurabi as receiving the code from the sun Shamash. It was a compilation of old laws based on retributive principles. Thank you, students. We will meet the next session.